Hi guys, andito kami ngayon sa Jurong Bird Park. Manunod tayo guys ng bird show. Advice ko lang sa inyo guys, pag pumunta kayo dito sa Jurong Bird Park, mag-book na kayo ng ticket nyo online. Lalo na pag sasakay kayo ng tram, mag-book na kayo online para hindi na kayo mahirapan. Yung bird show guys ay magsisimula ng 1:00. Andito na tayo guys sa harap ng theater. Tingnan natin. Ayan. Madami-dami na yung taong nag-aantay. Kasi malapit na rin magsisimula. Ilang minuto na magsisimula na yung show. Tara guys, maupo tayo at ating panoorin yung bird show. Ayan, let's go!
Nice voice, so I want him to greet you. You want to say something to the microphone? One more time. Hello. Okay. Usually what he does during the show is he will fly to volunteers, but because of the pandemic, he's not allowed to do that. But we still want to give him his exercise. Alright, so I'm going to get him to do a few flights. And if you're lucky enough, he might just say hello to you. Okay? Alright, hi Shariel, so far. Are you hiding because of the sun? Hi, the sun. Vitamin D. Just kidding, go over there. Yeah. Wow. Go over there. The cockatoos, they come in 3 different sizes: lesser, intermediate, and greater sulphur-crested cockatoo. And Butter over there is a greater sulphur-crested cockatoo. I can hear you. Now for the people over here. That's right. Hi, Butter. Here. Oh, he's enjoying the sun. Cockatoos like him can be found in Australia and certain parts of Indonesia. Okay, for the people over here, I want to say hello. Hello. Very nice. Okay. Hopefully when the pandemic ends, you can fly to the volunteers again, okay? But in the meantime, you have to fly back home, okay? You want to exit on stage? Right over here? Yeah, one. Down to trailer shark rail. Yes. Take the long one. Over there. Can you see? Wow! Let's give it a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. Our so fresh cockatoo Butter. Alright. Next parrot comes from the beautiful shades of hello, Sarah. Yes. Can you see the shade of scarlet red on him? Yeah? Okay, they of course have other colors like yellow, green, and blue. Okay, let's see. I think right here, he's going to do some warm-up exercise. Ready now? First step. You want to hang upside down. Hand in between his feet. And a back flip. Oh, last step. Give him a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. They have very flexible bodies, don't they? Okay, now India in fact is a very smart parrot. He's going to do some puzzles for us. Okay, but before that, you want to show off your nice long beautiful tail? Good. Right? Good, nice. Okay, now this tail of course helps them to balance when they're flying, okay? It's a really hot day, so we've covered the table. Okay. There you go. Hopefully it's not as hot for the parrots. But this is an EP puzzle, 4 different shapes and different colors. EP is going to solve the puzzle, hopefully by himself. I've mixed the puzzles around in a random order and I've placed them upside down. You want to solve it? Let's see if we can solve it, okay? I'm not helping him here. I'm just standing right here looking at all of you. He's doing this all by himself. Oh, that's a very good, very good. Okay, first he has to turn the shape around, see? Okay, very smart. Maybe he has to. Okay, he's thinking about it. Very dramatic. Alright, yes. Okay, he's looking. Is it right? Yes, it's right. Okay, one last shape, okay? If he gets that right, we'll give him a thunderous round of applause. Okay, not yet, not yet. In fact, scientists say that parrots, they are as smart as a 3-year-old child. Okay, able to different shapes and colors as well. Okay, not only that, EP here is also conscious about the environment. He doesn't like plastics. Okay, so right. And over here I have a cup with a plastic straw. Let me show you what I mean when he doesn't like plastic. Okay. And see, he turns me the plastic straw. So there are no straws in the bird park as well. Try to reduce the use of straws, okay? So if you don't have a straw, how are you going to drink out of the cup? Oh, you're trying to drink straight from the cup. There you go. Let's give him a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. And so if he's trying to show us, try and drink straight from the cup instead of using straws, yeah? And in fact, plastics, there are more plastics in the oceans by the year 2050. So we can reduce the use of plastic by using less plastic bags. For example, when we go shopping, we bring our own shopping bags. And when we go do takeaways, we bring our own containers as well. Okay, you want to show the people on this side as well? You want to show them one more time? How you drink without a straw? Yes, you have to put your head in right here. Yes, let's give him a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. Our very environmentally conscious scarlet macaw. Okay, I'm going to put a walnut in the pail here. Yes, let's see how Sky is going to get to his favorite food, okay? You ready? Ready, Sky? He's going to let's watch him, okay? I'm going to fly to the pail. Pail is here. The pail is here. He didn't fly to the pail. Why not? Okay. Look at him, he's shortening the rope, using his beak to pull down. He's very fast, he's getting faster and faster. Look at that. He's going to get his walnut though. Slowly, slowly, not yet. You can't give him a big hand in his hand now. So if he had flown straight to the tail, maybe he would be like, balancing back and forth on the tail, okay, or he would have lost his balance. But instead, he flew to a high, stable perch, and you see how dexterous he was with his beak and his leg, yeah? Very good. Nick, Amazon parrot. We'll do a little introduction. Oh, hi! Wow, okay, he wants to shoot my finger. That's how we do the introduction. Okay, you ready to tell them your name? Ready? What's your name? Bao. Chinese name, it means baby or precious. Okay, one more time. What's your name? Bao. Very basic voice. Okay, Bao, we're going to do some minutes for us. Okay, so what would you like the audience to do? As this. He wants all of us to keep quiet. Because the mimics he does are not really loud, so everyone just listen carefully, alright? You're all really quiet. First mimic, please. Somebody's knocking on the door. He does it really well, okay? So when somebody knocks, Papa, what do you ask? Who? Who is it? I know it might be your neighbor. The dog. The dog. The dog. Sounds more like a little puppy. Can we give Papa some encouragement, everyone? Good Papa, good job. What? Hey, Sarah! Oh, special appearance. Yes. This is most appropriate, yeah. Everyone, let's put our hands together to welcome Big John! Yes. Okay, now you might not know this, but Big John here, our self-professed cockatoo, is a veteran of the bird show department. He is more than 50 years old. Yes, when the bird park first opened its doors in 1971, 3rd of January, okay, Big John here was already an adult bird. Okay, so he's more than 50 years old. together with bird park since day one. Yeah, very proud of herself, yeah. Okay, big one is going to say something hopefully. Sometimes he doesn't say anything, but I'm going to try my luck, okay? Say hello. Hello. Oh, that's nice. Okay, big one. Yeah, you're getting quite old in your age, right? Would you like to do a cough? You just want to. Okay, big one. What else can you do? Okay, can you laugh? Laugh. Okay, no laughing. Very serious today. Okay, why don't you just sit here and let Pao continue with his news? Is that okay? Alright? He's looking at me. Alright, okay. Big one, you just enjoy the show, alright? Let's continue with Pao. Okay, shh. No screaming, please. Okay, Papa is going to do some electronic sounds. What's this, Papa? And don't scream! The cockatoos like him like to scream sometimes, and they can be really, really loud. Don't scream, okay? Papa, people up there, can you hear him? No microphone needed, right? Okay, maybe he wants you to pay him some attention. Okay, how about the next mimic? Can you do the chicken? Chicken! What? What did you say? Say hello? Hello. Okay. Trying to say hello. Okay, but make this up. No screaming, no screaming. If you keep on screaming, I have to send you back home. Okay? Just stay on stage. Okay, to the papa. Let's do the telephone. Yeah, that's a ringing tone of the telephone. Okay, how about this? Can you imagine keeping a cockatoo like Big John as a pet? You sometimes will lose your sleep, your hearing, and you. Oh, that was loud. Say hello. Hello. Yeah, good job. Okay, how about some human sounds that you and I make when you are feeling sad? Sometimes you cry, right? Papa, can you tell us how we cry? So emotional. I'm going to try to cheer him up by tickling him. Tickle. Tickle. Yeah. Funny, very good. You want to do a little dance for us? Yeah, good job. Okay, now Mama here is also learning to sing a line of the birthday song. Today is the 31st of January. Anyone celebrating a birthday by any chance? Let me start from here. Oh, hello. Happy birthday. Okay, nobody from here, yeah? How about the center? Just you? And just in case if you are too shy to raise your hand, especially for you then, Pao is going to sing video or section. Wait, please. Special moment. Okay, Pao. Let's sing. Ready? Oh, that was a bit fast, isn't it? Happy birthday. Okay, let's sing it together slowly. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yourself. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you from Papa. Wow. Papa, there are many of us who are not celebrating birthdays. You have a special place to tell us. I love you. Oh, who said I love you? What time? I love you. I love you too. Can everyone wave bye-bye? Let's just going to say bye-bye and wave as well. Okay, Papa, you ready? Is it bye-bye? Bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Let's give him a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. That was Papa, our very adorable looking Ibon.
Ayun guys, natapos na yung bird show. Di ba ang galing ng mga ibon? May mga talent din katulad mo. Ayun. Andito naman tayo guys. Pipila tayo at sasakay tayo ng tram. Mag-iikot tayo sa buong bird park. Gusto niyo bang sumama guys? Or wag na, hanggang dito na lang tayo. Ingat. Thank you. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe. Maraming salamat. Bye!